Are you looking for digital product ideas that are profitable to sell online? Then you're in the right place. Today, I'll be sharing with you the top 8 picks for digital products that are going to be in high demand and are selling like crazy this coming year. And the best part is that 8 out of the 9 of these can be completely passive. So then you only need to create them once, set them up, and then you can keep selling them over and over again on autopilot. So imagine earning money while you sleep or you spend time doing the things you love. Now, if you are already a digital product seller or thinking about becoming one, then this is the perfect opportunity for you. I mean, who wouldn't want to make passive income working from home, right? So then, to help you get started, I've created something I wish I had when I first started my journey, and that's my digital product ebook. It's packed with easy step-by-step guidance on how to set up your digital product business and start earning real revenue. So, whether or not you've made your first sale or you've started but you're not seeing the results you're hoping for, then this ebook has all the tools you need to take your business to the next level or help you get your first sale and the next and the next. So once you've done watching this video, click the link below in the description box and check it out. So then, what's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome back to my channel. So then, let's dive right in with number 1, which is activity printables. So printables are perfect for kids and adults alike. These are instant downloads that customers can print out and use right away. For example, you could create a date night idea card set or simple meal planners for busy moms. Here's a great example I found on Etsy. A printable meal plan bundle for kids. This bundle is an instant download and has been purchased multiple times in the last 24 hours, which is proof that this niche is in demand. Activity printables, especially DIY focused ones, are trending and will continue to grow in popularity, especially on platforms like Etsy. Number 2, we have educational printables. These are resources customers can download and print to help them with their learning, whether for kids or adults. Some examples include language flashcards or pre-K learning activities. I found these specific listings for educational printables on Etsy and averaging 66 sales per month at $11.67. So you're looking at around $772 a month, and that's just from one listing alone. So shops offering educational printables are doing really great, and they remain in high demand this year, especially on Etsy. Number 3, we have AI generated art. So let's talk about something new and exciting. AI generated art. Now then, I know AI can be a bit of a hot topic, but hear me out. Creating AI art is one of the easiest ways to generate passive income. You might be wondering if selling AI generated artwork is even allowed. Well, let me tell you, on Etsy it is, as long as you follow their guidelines. So, according to their seller handbook, you can sell artwork created with your original AI prompts, but you do need to disclose that it was made using AI tools. For example, I found an Etsy listing with a bestseller badge that was made using AI tools, and 6 people bought it in the last 24 hours alone. This shows that there's a real demand for AI generated art. So if you're curious about how to create AI art, one tool I recommend is Kittl. It's a graphic design platform with powerful AI capabilities. So to get started, you just need to sign up for a free account on Kittl, then navigate your way to their AI image generator, type in your prompt. So from there, you can choose from various styles such as watercolor, clip art, vector art, or even retro design. So once you've generated your artwork, you can sell it on Etsy or on your own shop. By the way, did I mention that Kittl is free? I'll drop their link in the description box below. So we have number 4, which is Notion templates. So if you're not familiar, Notion is a powerful tool that many business owners and creators use just so they can organize their tasks, projects and plans. So instead of starting from scratch, a lot of people go onto platforms like Etsy to buy pre-made Notion templates. One template that's consistently in high demand is a life planner. You can get as creative and robust as you like with this type of template. A life planner might include daily, weekly, monthly planning pages, a habit tracker, a work log, a family project manager. For sure, you'll want to pack it with helpful features to make it incredibly useful for your customers. So keep in mind, you need to be familiar with Notion or just take some time to learn it. It's simple. And these templates that are built within the platform itself. So here's why this is worth it. Notion templates often sell for a higher price than many other digital products. For example, I found a life planner template on Etsy, currently priced at $15 with an average of 94 sales per month. That's nearly $1,500 a month in revenue on one listing. These templates are a perfect example of passive income. So once you've created and listed your Notion template, you don't need to do any additional work to fill orders. Customers can download it instantly and you can make sales in your sleep. All because you put in the effort up front. So we're on to number 5, which is mock-up images. So let's move on to another exciting product, mock-up images. So if you have a talent for photography, you can create your own mock-up images to sell. This is such a great way to stand out with a unique, high-quality visuals. But even if photography isn't your thing, you can still create mock-ups using AI tools. Just be sure to check the rules for the platform you're selling on. For example, as we discussed earlier, Etsy allows AI-generated products as long as you disclose in the listings that AI tools were used. Here's an example. A holiday-themed mug mock-up bundle. This shop on Etsy is only 7 months old and has already made over 2,000 sales with an average of 300 sales per month. So even at a low price of $3, they've sold so many, and that's a side income on one listing. So there are similar products. So mock-up images are another fantastic passive income idea. So once you've created your mock-ups and listed them for sale, they can keep selling over and over again without any extra effort from you. So then, if you're not sure where to start, and if you're interested in selling digital products but don't know what to create, I've got you covered, because I've put together a free downloadable 54 digital product ideas to find your perfect fit for your business. You'll find the description in the link box below, so grab it as soon as you've done watching this video. Number 6 is educational videos. Moving on to our next digital product. Likely you've heard of e-commerce, but Have you heard of knowledge commerce? It's been growing rapidly as people prefer to learn and train from the comfort of their homes, as you're doing now. Educational videos can range from a single video to masterclass to mini-series of tutorials or even a comprehensive course. The price for these products, they vary widely, and it could be anywhere from $15 for a quick class to $1,000 for an in-depth training program. Now, you might be thinking, I'm not an expert in anything, but trust me, you really don't need to be. The key is being a few steps ahead of your audience. A good rule of thumb, if you're about 10, 15, 20% ahead of someone, you can teach them what you've learned and how you've begun making money online. So educational content can cover just anything like pet sitting, crocheting, DIY projects, business strategies, fitness budgeting, you name it. So start by thinking about what you're passionate about or what questions people frequently ask you. So the best part is you don't need any fancy equipment to begin. Your smartphone is enough to record videos, and you have free tools like CapCut which can help you to edit your videos. So as you grow, you can upgrade to Pro Tools for more features. When it comes to hosting your courses, you'll need a platform. So my favorite platform for hosting is Stan Store, which makes it super easy to upload and manage your educational content. And I'll put my link in the description below so you can check it out. It's free and see if it's a good fit for your business. Number 7 is industry-specific social media templates. Now then, these are pre-designed, editable templates for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest, which are tailored to a specific niche or profession. For example, you could create Instagram templates for photographers, real estate agents, travel bloggers, pet enthusiasts. So here's how it works. You'll design your templates in tools like Canva that customers can easily edit to fit their brand. And while many people could design their own, most people don't have the time or energy or design skills, so which is why these templates are so popular. So let's take a look at an example, which is an Instagram travel bundle on Etsy. So the analytics show this listing averages 78 sales per month at $13. So that's over $1,000 in monthly revenue from one single listing. So once you've created these templates, you then list them and it becomes truly passive income stream. The templates are delivered automatically after purchase, meaning no extra effort is required on your part after the initial setup. On to number 8, planning spreadsheets bundles. Another amazing product idea is planning spreadsheet bundles. These are perfect for tools like Google Sheets or Excel and are incredibly versatile. One example that's always in demand is financial budgeting planners. You could go ahead and create a bundle that includes both Google Sheets and Excel versions, giving buyers the flexibility they're looking for. So here's an example of a budgeting planner on Etsy, which sells for $11 and averaging 62 sales per month. So that's nearly £700 a month from one listing. So to create these, you need some working knowledge of a software and an understanding of what your audience needs. For example, your budgeting planner might include income expenses, trackers, debt payoff sheets, saving goals planners. So just do some research on successful listings in your niche to gain inspiration. But guys, you never want to copy, but you can always add your own unique twist or spin to create something that's fresh and valuable. So if you found value in this video, do go ahead and share this video with your friends and family, and like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. So bye for now.